There it goes. It goes.
Woohoo!
Whew.
Right where I aimed it.
Didn't even bump the log pile. Puppy's happy. It's going. It's going. It's going. Good job, baby.
Earlier than I was expecting.
I could tell.
I didn't believe you almost.
Thank you for believing me.
You were So the tree came down on these T-posts, and this T-post went right through the trunk of the tree. Well, that's one way to pound a post.
We're doing that skinny one that's kind of leaning towards the neighbor's fence. Matt said, go down by the apple tree, but this is an awful angle. You can't see anything. And besides, I don't really know where it's gonna fall.
So what I actually said was, it's going to come down by the apple tree. And she heard, go down by the apple tree.
Obviously, there was some miscommunication happening, which we made sure didn't happen again.
Glad that nobody got hit by this tree.
It's moving. It's coming! It's coming, Matthew! Matthew! Darkin, come! Oh. Well, he shouted timber. So that's good. Darkin's excited. Oh, so much for that log pile.
Alright, so check this out. You may remember seeing my post where the tree came down and this was jammed right through. Well, it happened again. This tree came down on a post again. This was the post that was jammed like a foot further into the ground, and this one on the left was still normal height. Now this second tree came down, hit both posts. It's a double trunk tree. This one that had the log on it before that I left was rammed into the ground, and then it pulled it back up out of the ground. So now it's taller than it was to begin with. You can see down here it's dirty, and the piece of wood that I'd left on there as kind of a souvenir is broken off, and this other one is driven into the ground. That's just wild.
So Matt has to winch this big tree down. He has all the cuts done and all the wedges hammered in, but its neighbors are holding it up. I don't know if you can see the rope he has tied to it. Oh, now you know which one it is. Oh.
Ooh,
Nicely done, baby.
that's a big tree.
That's a big tree.
Oh, Cleaning up this tree is a lot of work. Tree everywhere. Now 5 hours later, and the driveway is open enough that we can at least get the cars back in here tonight. Good day's work. Okay, Amy in the pickup truck. We're gonna pull this tree that's broken and caught in our other tree this winter. We're gonna pull it down. I've already made my cuts. Keep going, it's coming down. Perfect.
Tree number 14. There goes the quince bush. There's gonna be spots of everything on my toadstool.
One last tree to take down myself. You can see that one's got a pretty good lean towards the house already, but I'm gonna make it fall this direction. I've got my rope on it to my come along to this tree. Pull it inside.
Now we're gonna winch it. That crack is getting bigger at the base. Oh, slow motion. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at my mushroom. Look how close that was. It's just fine. The post didn't make it. That's gonna need some fixing.
Yep.
The other two posts are okay though. Good job, babe.